Okay, everybody, so I had some leftovers in the refrigerator. Since I'm going home, I figured I would throw something together and see what I got. So I had made pork chops the other night, so I had 2 pork chops left over. I chopped them up, threw them in the electric skillet. I also put yellow squash, pinto beans, hard-boiled eggs, fried rice, onions, some Italian seasoning, some garlic, some soy sauce, and I also had some marinated artichokes, and I went ahead and threw them in there also. So far it looks good, smells good, and it had a decent taste to it. But this will get rid of just about everything that was left over in the refrigerator. And there's some right there. That's what I'm going to eat. This is what's left. So basically I have enough for 2 meals, and that's usually how I do it. I'll eat what's in the one, and then I'll have this tomorrow for lunch. And then that's it. The refrigerator is pretty much cleaned out. I think there's some cold cuts in there and some energy drinks. But other than that, there's nothing else in the refrigerator or the freezer. So that's it. And yes, I cooked everything here in my truck. See?